Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Celia Rifia Zahra from class 4 Psych 001. Today, I will present an article analysis related to one of the key topics in sociolinguistic language variation. The article I choose The article I choose is titled "Globalizing the Study of Language Variation and Chance", published in the journal Language and Linguistic Companies in 2022. These authors Gus Kaufman, Johannes Kabatek et al. And publisher Hewlett Online Library. Okay, next. In this background of the study, this article discusses how sociolinguistic research has largely focused on English-speaking regions. It emphasizes the need for a global perspective that includes linguistic variation from diverse cultural and geographic backgrounds. The background of this study lies in the observation that most sociolinguistic research focuses heavily on English-speaking regions. This article highlights the need to explore language variation beyond those areas and encourage the inclusion of different linguistic communities around the world. Next, research objective. The first address the Western-centric focus in sociolinguistics, propose a cross-cultural and comparative methodology, and the last one promote inclusivity and global collaborations in research. The authors aim to solve this imbalance by proposing a cross-cultural approach to sociolinguistics. They believe that including diverse language and regions will result in a richer understanding of how language works in society. Methodology. This is a theoretical paper supported by real-world examples. Methods includes ethnographic reflection, comparative framework proposals, and the last one, case-based discussion from various linguistic communities. The paper is theoretical in nature, but it is supported by real-world examples. The authors use comparative reflection and case-based discussion from different parts of the world. They promote methodological diversity, such as combining ethnographic, quantitative, and qualitative methods. These key findings. The first, sociolinguistics is overly centered on English-speaking regions. The second, research should focus on diverse communities. The next, methodological flexibility is key, quantitative and ethnographic, etc. The idea of a standard language should be critically examined. Uh, some key points include: first, sociolinguistics is too centered on the global north, especially English. Second, research should explore less represented areas such as Africa, Latin America, or Asia. Third, the idea of a standard language should be questioned because real language use is far more dynamic. Discussion of result. The paper contributes to the redefinition of global sociolinguistics. Yeah, this article contributes to a shift in how we understand language variation. It tells us that multilingual and multicultural communities should not be ignored. It challenges conventional norms and invites deeper analysis of multilingual and multicultural settings. And the last one, the article shifts focus from urban centers like London to include underrepresented regions. Critical reflection. Strengths encourage inclusive and diverse perspectives. Theoretical richness. Yeah, in my opinion, the article is very insightful and important for the future of sociolinguistics. Its strength lies in its call for inclusivity. However, uh, the article lacks specific empirical data, yeah, limitations. The first lacks empirical data, and the last one, framework, still needs testing in applied studies. Yeah, however, the article lacks specific empirical data. It is more of a theoretical manifesto. This means future research is still needed to test these ideas in real-world studies. Conclusion and implication. This article is important in challenging traditional views in sociolinguistic implication. The first, broader research scope, and the second, inclusion of Global South, and the last one, supports future research diversity. Uh, in conclusion, the article is significant because it opens new perspectives in the field of sociolinguistics. It reminds us that language research should be more global, fair, and inclusive. The authors encourage future researchers like us to study language variation in different social and geographic contexts. Visual representation, visual representation. You can include a relevant card, table, or infographic from the article here. This slide is optional and can be customized. Okay, you can see here an example card model that shows the need for more balanced research across regions. This helps us visualize how unequal sociolinguistic research has been so far. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention, and thank you so much for listening. Uh, sorry for the more, sorry for the less. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.